Over the past 2 months, Bengaluru has seen a massive surge in the number of coronavirus cases. From 336 at the end of May, the figures climbed to around 55,000 at the end of July. In these 2 months, we have seen Bengaluru's nodal agency, the BBMP, struggle to streamline the process of testing and finding beds for COVID-19 patients. And once again, civil society has stepped up to share responsibility and help panic-struck citizens navigate the maze of procedures.
See, there was a issue with regard to admissions of patients, and then the government had a helpline, and the things were there. But again, the machinery was starting to collapse. All right, so it was a new thing for the private hospitals also, because they have not done that charity.
The CONCALL team is a part of the Medical Task Force, a group of retired bureaucrats, NGOs, doctors and volunteers. MTF has been working on the ground since the days of the lockdown, aiding the migrants and the poor. Now, they are assisting the BBMP in bed allocation. Basically, they work with two categories of people, poor and the needy. When the CONCALL team receives a call from a patient, the volunteers collect all the details needed, such as name, age, oxygen saturation level, symptoms and other relevant history, just like a hospital would. If the patient has got their testing done, the SFR or the BU number will be collected too. Once this is done, the patient will be connected to a consultant who is any doctor from the MTF team. This doctor will make an assessment depending on the information given that whether the patient needs home isolation with prescription of medicine or hospitalization is required with or without the ICU. If the patient needs hospitalization and is financially poor, the team connects them with BBMP war room through a conference call. A bed will be blocked under this call. Or if the patient is needy but is financially sound, the team connects them to the private hospital directly. Once this is done, the volunteers will handhold the patient and follow it up until the patient has received the required care. They will also help the poor patients get reimbursed from the government.
See, most of the patients we got admitted are getting free treatment under the Suraksha Trust. We are in touch with the Arogya Mitra also. We are in touch with BBMP. So we are getting admissions for all poor patients free of cost. Now, under the government quota, we were able to admit poor patients in Columbia, Fortis, okay, and a lot of other hospitals. Apollo, we have got admission. So this is nothing but it's following up the procedure basically, which the others have not got the grip. Organizations.
To avoid the financial burden on the poor and the unsuspecting, MTF has been working with the BBMP to ensure the beds are allocated to the right people.
We are working on a PPP model. So unless and until civil society doesn't come in, what I feel is the government cannot do anything. So we have to join hands with them rather than criticizing them. We are seeking their assistance, and they are in a way helping us.
From all accounts so far, it looks like COVID-19 is here to stay for a considerable amount of time. The need of the hour is not just providing appropriate health services, but also making these services easy to navigate.